herbs and spices are a great way to boost flavor and add health benefits to your meals. Research shows they can be used to reduce salt, saturated fat, and added sugars in food while maintaining great taste. They are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Here is a guide to some of the most beneficial herbs and spices. First, turmeric. It's known for being anti-inflammatory and may support joint and brain health. You can add it to curries, soups, or roasted veggies. A helpful tip is to pair it with black pepper to boost absorption of its active compound curcumin. Next is cinnamon, which may help regulate blood sugar and improve heart health. Sprinkle it on oatmeal, yogurt, coffee, or add it to stews and baked goods. Garlic supports heart health by potentially lowering cholesterol and blood pressure, and it also boosts immunity. For the best effect, crush it and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking. It's great in sauces, dressings, and marinades. Ginger is effective for relieving nausea, aids digestion, and is anti-inflammatory. Grate it fresh into stir-fries, soups, or steep it for tea. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, which may boost metabolism and reduce appetite. Start with a small pinch in sauces, chili, or even dark chocolate. Rosemary is linked to improved memory and concentration and is rich in antioxidants. It's excellent for roasting with potatoes, vegetables, or meats. Oregano is an antioxidant champion with antimicrobial properties. It's a key ingredient in Mediterranean cooking and can be used in tomato sauces, on pizza, or with roasted vegetables. Finally, black pepper enhances nutrient absorption, like with turmeric, and is an antioxidant itself. Always grind it fresh and use it as a finishing spice on savory dishes. Here are some essential tips for fresh versus dried herbs. A common ratio is 1 tablespoon of fresh herbs to 1 teaspoon of dried. Add dried herbs early in cooking to let their flavors bloom, and add fresh herbs at the very end to preserve their brightness. Store all spices in airtight containers in a cool, dark place. It's generally safer to get these benefits from food rather than high-dose supplements. You can also make healthy swaps. Replace salt with garlic powder or onion powder. Use smoked paprika for a smoky flavor instead of bacon. Let the natural sweetness of cinnamon help you reduce added sugar.